How to set up Messenger Kits. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up Messenger Kits. So let's begin. In order to do that, first of all, download the app Messenger Kits on your device, then launch it. After you do that, click on next and confirm that you're a parent or a guardian. After that, it will ask for your Facebook password. Enter your Facebook password. After you enter your password, click on Authorize Device. Then you can either create an account for your child or connect with a kid through Messenger. Then you have to enter your child's first name, last name, and then your child's birthday. Then you can create the account. After that, you can either choose friends for your kid or you can directly skip it. Then you can either go to allow or not now for the options given over here. Then you can also manage your kid's account with another parent, or you can simply go to not now and decline that offer. After you go there, after you do that, go to the option we agree. Then you can also take a photo for your child or simply skip it. Then simply follow all the instructions given over here, and there you go. You have successfully created an account for your child. So this is how you can set up a Messenger Kids account. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you like it. Thank you.